Hi guys, in this tutorial, I'll explain about the Fidelity Investment Mutual Funds. Fidelity Investment offers a wide range of mutual funds including index fund sector, fund and asset allocator or allocating funds, allowing investors to choose funds that aligns with their fund network. Also provide access to mutual funds from other fund company as well. Now likewise, Fidelity offers index fund that tracks various market index like S&P 500, total market and international indexes as well. Now these funds focuses on specific industries, sectors offering target exposure to different part of the economy as well. Likewise, these funds combine multiple asset classes in a single fund, providing the diversification. And this platform allows investors to access mutual funds from various fund companies, including those with no transaction fees. So likewise, they also offer features such as wide selections, low cost, zero minimum as well. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.